If you're seeing the message, Adobe Flash Player is no longer supported in Chrome, don't worry, you're definitely not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly why that message appears and how to fix it using a safe alternative so you can continue viewing old Flash content in your browser. This is especially useful if you're trying to open older websites, games, or learning tools that still rely on Flash-based content. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, it helps to understand why Chrome shows this warning in the first place. Adobe Flash Player was officially discontinued on December 31st, 2020, which means Adobe no longer supports it, because Flash had serious security issues and is no longer needed on modern websites. Google removed Flash support from Chrome, so when you see this message, it's not a bug in Chrome. It's Chrome protecting your device by blocking outdated Flash technology. Now, since Flash is gone, the best way to open older Flash content is by using a Flash emulator. In this tutorial, we're going to install Ruffle, which is an open-source Flash emulator built in Rust. It's designed to safely run old Flash content without bringing back the original Flash player. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots menu. This opens Chrome's main Settings and Tools menu. From there, hover over Extensions. A side menu will appear, and in that menu, click Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you to the official extension store where you can install browser add-ons safely. Once the Chrome Web Store opens, click the search bar in the top left corner. Type Ruffle into the search field and press Enter on your keyboard. You should now see search results related to the Ruffle extension. Look for the extension named Ruffle Flash Emulator. Make sure you select the correct one, because this is the extension that helps replace Flash with a safe modern emulator. After you open the Ruffle extension page, take a moment to confirm that it is the open-source memory-safe alternative built in Rust. That means it's designed with modern security in mind and is much safer than trying to use the old Flash player. Once you're ready, click the blue Add to Chrome button. Chrome will now display a confirmation prompt asking if you want to add the extension. Click Add Extension to approve it. Chrome will download the extension and install it automatically. After a few moments, the extension should be added to your browser. At this point, Ruffle is installed and ready to help your browser handle old Flash-based content. If the page or file you're trying to open supports the emulator, it should now load much more smoothly than before. In some cases, you may need to refresh the page or reopen the content after installation so the extension can take effect. If you still run into issues, make sure Chrome is fully updated, then try the site again. Also remember that not every old Flash file will work perfectly, because the original Flash technology is no longer supported anywhere. But for many common Flash animations, games, and embedded items, Ruffle is one of the easiest and safest solutions available. And that's it. You now know why Adobe Flash Player is no longer supported in Chrome and how to fix the issue by installing Ruffle from the Chrome Web Store. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.